So this is a HTC Desire C from 2012. As you can see, the touchscreen works fine, and there is some cosmetic damage that I want to show you first, just before we do the test, so you know what damage is already there, because there is some that was there over the years. And the back of the phone had a price sticker on it. There's some scratches in the back panel, Beats audio, which is quite nice. So drop test time 3, as you can see, still works. 3, 2. So on the backdrop, it bounced, but nothing much more really happened. Still the same marks, and touchscreen still works okay. Now the corner drop in 3, 2. Okay, so on that drop, the back cover came off slightly. I'll push that back in. And this is the corner where it hit. There's slightly more damage. And now finally, face down. And it didn't crack, but there is some more dents on the front. Let's try that again. That was dead on. And as you can see, the screen is now cracked. Some bubbling in the glass here. But touchscreen does still work. So that's all good. There we go, that was the drop test of the HTC Desire C, and thank you so much for watching.